Good evening, my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you how to make hairband organizer. My mom always scold me as I am having many hairbands where to keep them. So I thought of an idea of making this. You need glue gun, scissor, a piece of ribbon. You can take of any color. Decorative materials in which you need to take stones of any color and 5 strips of any color. See, these 3 colors should be matching to each other so it will look nice. This should be 9.5 centimeter long and its breadth should be 2 centimeter. Okay, let's start making it. You need first to take your first strip, take your glue gun, see, put glue here and just fold it like this. Don't press it from another side. Do the same for all the. Let them dry. Hold them or else they will just jump off. Now see, I pasted all of them. Now you need to paste them like this. Like a huge building. You know why I've made you left this much space? Here you can put your hairband from there. You understood? I think you must have understood. Press them on. See, I made. Now you need to decorate them by your stones. See, it's looking dirty from here now. We will put stones here so it will not look dirty. Now you need to take your ribbon. This is the last side and this is the front side. Don't get confused. You can put the ribbon like this also, or else you must be having punching machine. Put it, stick it. Let it dry. After drying, it will look like this. See, our hairband organizer is ready. In this you can keep hairband here. See. Let it dry. After drying it to look like this, you can keep your hairband in these holes like this. You can see. See, our hairband organizer is made. In each hole, you can make many. You can give many of. You can keep many hairbands. I want you to like my videos, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share. Also comment in comment box about your queries and anything else that you liked it. And one more thing, my another hairband organizer video link is located in the comment description box below. Please watch that also. If you like it, thank you.